Hey everybody, what's going on? Nick WX, and well, back with another video. And I know you're looking at this like me and you're saying, what the hell happened? Well, a lot has happened. I've put a down payment on my dream car, and in a few days, 2 days, we're gonna go pick it up. I'm so excited. I'm so beyond myself. I have the front bumper for this car. Just getting some bolts and fixing the headlights before we go to sell it. Car's got 26,000 miles, so I know it's gonna be beautiful for the next person I sell it to. There's not a scratch or anything on the entire car because it was wrapped from the birth of it. So I'm not worried about that at all. I'm just so excited to move on. I'm so happy everybody I met through Subarus and all the events I've been to. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. This is her now, fully stock, fully everything original, and not even a scratch or dent on the entire car. I'll give you a little walk around. There's literally nothing wrong with it. It's in impeccable condition. There's literally nothing wrong with it whatsoever. It's insane. I love how it looks from the back. It's just time to let it go. Time to grow up and buy a real car. So in the second part of this, it's gonna be a few days later, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys with the new car. Hey guys, what's going on? We're back. We just picked up the new car. This is her, 2018 BMW M3 in black with the red interior. Let's go up on it. Came with the factory wheels, factory headlights, obviously. Red interior, DCT, red back seats. Clean. This car is awesome. Just picked it up yesterday, and seriously, it's a whole different beast. I've never driven a car like this in my life, and I'm just so blessed, and I can't put it into words how happy I am to finally pick up this car. This is my dream car, and I'm so excited that I was finally able to buy one. This is the interior. It comes with the paddle shifters, like I said, DCT. It's got a lot of the comp packages, stuff in it that's not a comp. Back to what I was saying, guys. Sorry, the phone cut off there. Pretty bright here too. This is the car. It's absolutely beautiful. I really couldn't have found a better spec. This is perfect for me. I did purchase it used. Has about 60,000 on it. Still, I got a great warranty, and they really hooked it up at the dealership, and they came in pretty clutch with everything. It's got the carbon fiber roof. It's amazing. I already have some things purchased. I can't wait to put on the car. I'm gonna be making videos as well. The Subi was awesome while it lasted, but it's time to go, and it's time to start a new chapter. So yeah, I'll be uploading the rest of the videos. I'm gonna start taking this a little more seriously now that I have a whole new build and I have something to talk about, and I have something I can learn with you guys with. Yeah, so here it is, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and supporting. Catch you guys soon.